currently been joined by Kavita Ashok, environmentalist. She will be talking to us regarding the current fuel ban by end-of-life vehicles by the Delhi government. Ma'am, how do you look at this ban by the Delhi government and how it is going to, affect the air quality here in New Delhi?
Thank you for this question. Firstly, I want to say that the issue of air pollution has really been haunting Delhi and NCR residents, because so many years we've been battling air pollution. Everybody knows it's difficult to breathe in the city. Now I appreciate the step by the government, because there was no way that we were able to control the pollution. So cutting out vehicles which are old and which are emitting out a lot of pollutants, so I think it should help. Uh, I personally have realized that around 20 to 40% of vehicular pollution is added to the total pollution of Delhi. What I mean to say is that out of the total pollution, 20 to 40% is being added by, by transportation, by vehicles which are running in Delhi and in and out. So once old vehicles are, taken off the road, this is what the new rule is. Then I think it should bring a big cut down of the pollution levels here.
Ma'am, if we are going to compare it to the other, to the other, initiative by the previous government, like odd and even formula, how do you, compare this, new policy to the old ones?
See, odd and even was a good step, because I've been in environment for so many years now. Odd and even was a good step, very good initiative, but it didn't work out because it wasn't a program which ran through the year. We have to understand that it was imposed as a very seasonal program. Whenever pollution levels rose, whether it was in winter or during Parali season or close to Diwali, then odd and even was imposed, and temporarily it brought some relief. But this step is a major step because it is not a seasonal step. This is going to be throughout the year and for years to come. So this is a major step. I really appreciate it.
Okay, ma'am, if talking about, can such ban, significantly bring down the air pollutants like, PM 2.5 or the nitrogen oxide?
See, of course, it's going to bring down the PM level and other pollutants. But first we have to just see how people are going to take this step, because I just personally feel everybody who has a car is going to be affected by it. Like suppose I have two cars. Now one is going to be off the road from today onwards, because if it's 15 years old and I cannot put fuel in it, I can't drive it. So every household which has a car, that is the middle class or the upper middle class or whoever can afford a car, is going to be affected by this. So I hope people are able to understand the environmental hazard that air pollution is causing and take it in their stride.